going to be making a secret feather swirl design soap today, and I have a lot of colors going on, a lot of different things going on with this batch. And I actually made this 2.5 years ago, and this is the bar soap that I made. And I saved one of them, but this was Alice's Afternoon, and this is one that I wanted to try, and it worked out beautifully. I did end up doing it 2 other times with some variations. One of them is Water's Edge, the other one was Secret Garden. You can go back and find those videos. Water's Edge was too fluid, and it was still really pretty, but it looked more like when you're seeing a reflection of the flowers that are kind of ripply. The batter was too fluid. And then on the Secret Garden one, I actually tried doing 5 flowers, so I had the 3, and then I put 2 more there. And I think it was a little bit too shallow. They're really pretty and the colors were pretty, but I think it just didn't have enough depth to get the flowers in there. So I'm going to try to recreate this one again, and I'm going to be doing 2 loaves. I'm going to be doing them one at a time because I don't know how quickly this fragrance is going to set up. It is very well behaved. For this one, I had used a grapefruit scent that has been discontinued, but it's still, I mean, this is 2.5 years old. It's held up beautifully. So for today, I'm going to be using very similar colors. Some of the colors I don't have, so I'm going to be trying some different ones. The fragrance, I'm going to be doing Botanical Bliss from Nurture Soap. It is very well behaved. It is a lighter scent. I'm only going to be fragrancing the base part of the soap. And this, I'm actually going to add a little bit of blue to that, but I'm still going to do the greens and then the purples, the orange and yellow, and then the pinks. I think I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm going to do that one in the middle or not. I haven't decided yet. So we'll see what happens once I start pouring. So anyway, Botanical Bliss is the scent I'm using. All of the colors, where's my, okay, the main color, this is Island Sunset from Nurture Soap. I have, let's see, Lavender from Brambleberry, Cheshire Cat from Nurture, Red from Brambleberry, let's see, Pink Slippers from Crafter's Choice, Wholesale Supplies Plus, Sunset Orange from Brambleberry, Golden Pineapple Yellow from Wholesale Supplies Plus, Laurel Green from Nurture, and then a Sliced Green Kiwi from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And then over here, I hope I don't forget to do this, but what I would like to do, and I did that, I didn't do it in this one, but when I did the Secret Garden one, before I did the Secret Feather Swirl part, where you take the hanger tool and drag it down, I put a line of white mica at the top, and it was really, the mica and oil is really pretty having that drawn through there. So my plan is I've got gold, pink, and purple. I'm going to do that at the very top of each one and then drag it down, see what that looks like, because I think, and there's a bright sunshine right there, I think that'll be really pretty. I just have to remember to do it. So I've got everything ready, everything divided out, and I think I'm ready to go. So let me get gloved up and we'll come back and I'll start pouring. these, I do want to talk a little bit about what happened. Obviously, these are not going to turn out as I had intended because the fragrance did not behave as it is supposed to behave. And the crazy thing about it, I've used this fragrance, I've used it twice before, had no issues. I don't know what the deal is, but when I added to the first one, it riced. And sometimes fragrances, if you don't stir them right away, they don't normally rice, they will rice because it kind of sits there for a little bit, and I think maybe that had caused it, I don't know. And then I had added that mica in there, and sometimes micas can cause things, especially greens, and even though this is a blue, it does have some green in it, can cause the batter to set up quicker. I don't know. Then the problem was because it riced, I had to blend it, which made it thicker. So I have no high hopes for this. I'm probably not going to have really any flowers in there. It's just going to be, I think, a really colorful top part. And then the second one, I thought, well, you know, I'm going to go ahead and stir it in quickly and not use the mica in the base. But it didn't rice at all, but it still did accelerate some. I still don't have high hopes for any really visible flowers in there like I was wanting, but it's still gonna have a colorful top. So let's go ahead and cut them open. It is what it is. It's still gonna be an amazing bar of soap, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut that first loaf first and then the second one. So let's see how they look on the inside.